Maria.
Island boy there.
Anyways guys, we're sitting here just waiting on our movie, and yeah, we're basically, let's start off. No Island's with my brother.
Yeah.
And we're gonna watch a movie today in Gold Class. I've never been in Gold Class before, neither has Babe, so yeah, it's our first time experiencing Gold Class.
In the Gold Coast.
In the Gold Coast, yeah, that's so good. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, and we'll let you know what we're watching. And yeah,
we're at a big mall, guys.
Massive. I'll show you guys. You want to show them? You show them.
Yeah, people like crazy. You guys can see. Let me focus this thing. It's a bit dark. So that's what we're gonna watch, Equalizer. And look at it, Gold Class, man.
Lovely.
We're in the gold.
We're sitting here waiting, 8 minutes, drinking a rum. Babe's gonna drive home.
Yeah, so I'm drinking ginger beer. We're in the Gold Class section, lounge area. Yeah,
Didn't even know this existed.
Nice.
Gotta spoil ourselves sometimes.
Sure that. Oh, it's pretty, eh?
Maybe we should get some fruit for home.
Good idea. We just came from up there. We're going down again.
So how do you think about the movie?
It was really good. Yeah.
It's good, guys.
Loved it. This mall is big.
Huge shopping mall.
Yeah. People are crazy.
Oh, I thought that was not Guinness. Lychee.
Oh. Yeah. This is big. I hope we can find any coconut out here.
Yeah, hopefully. Gonna get pineapple?
Yeah, we can grab one.
You pick what you want.
Do you even look that ripe, eh?
Maybe the ones down the bottom.
This one.
I just saw green bananas or plantains down.
Really?
Straight down there. Yes?
Hey guys, the mango is in season again, so.
You want one?
Yeah, grab one.
You grab it, because I don't know.
No, just take up one of them. Yeah. Space big. Oh, them here. Yeah. Nice for fry, yeah. Found it. Find a coconut there, you know?
You grab the one that's good.
Yeah. Just hold it for a second. You know, we have to shake it to test it, you know. What's that? I want to bring home nothing when I'm good, you know. I don't like the sound of them at all. This one sound a bit better.
One or two?
Grab
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have the yellow melon here. Since I've been in Australia, it's the first time seeing it.
Cool.
Yeah. I used to buy them back home.
I think this one's about right, babes.
Yellow melon. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, everything's expensive here too.
Yeah.
Look at the apples and all that. $6.99, $7 a kilo.
Wow. City.
Yeah, but the Casino's worse.
Yeah, so you can imagine.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Crazy.
Do an escalator prank?
Hey, that's probably where you can get the hair straightener.
Yeah, the ear blower. Yeah. Yeah, definitely could.
How much
get
are
it
they?
there. Sure. Babe, I need to do a shit. Babe, I need to go to the toilet right now. Oh, shit.
Should have gone at home.
Yeah, I know. I don't even know if it catch. Can easily do the pranks here, eh?
Crazy.
Sure. All the stores, all the branded clothes and everything there.
You can tell we're not into that. Otherwise it'd be crazy.
True. You guys can see. Big mall.
Alright, you go to the park and I'll give you the keys.
Yeah. And I give you guys a quick walkthrough of this mall. What's the mall called again?
Pacific Fair.
Pacific Fair. It's big. Getting all the stairs there. That's what happens when you walk around with a camera and also when you're interracial. Oh.
I like that.
Yeah.
They're really pretty.
Nice.
Would you wear that Michael Jackson jacket down there?
Hey, that looks sick, eh? This. Yeah, you do. That model.
Looks Aussie.
Yeah.
Mimco.
Just that upstairs a while ago.
Yeah, that's what I just said too. One was blonde.
Oh, it's them same one. I saw them went up.
I said, oh no. Right when Babe was going to the car.
Yeah, when I was coming back, I saw them.
We'll go outside for a bit.
Oh yeah. That section there.
Leave it.
Some of this, if it probably gonna get windy out here anyway.
Yeah. I said,
is a different. So this is the whole place still. Wow. This place big, man. What? Oh, you can bring a kids here as well. This place is big, man. Oh.
I didn't realize that's a water fountain.
This is big.
Oh, nice jacket.
Oh, and
I
it
don't
goes.
like all of that,
Eh?
The branded things.
Nah.
They're expensive. Wow, what shop is that? How do you say that? Star.
Style runner. The art of adventure.
Nice men's clothing.
Yeah.
Like really nice stylish stuff. Champion. It's similar to the one me and Maria went to, like with all the similar but not the same.
Oh, okay.
Have you been to Culture Kings? Let's go in there.
Yeah.
The big C.
Okay. Anyway,
So long as we don't get bloody, what do you call it, lost.
just trying to get it more stable.
Zara. Is that what Zara? Zara.
Yeah.
Zara clothing. Oh, cute baby stuff, like kids stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go in here, Culture Kings. This is like streetwear, like urban wear. It's actually fun to see like it.
All the Tupacs and the Biggie and all of that stuff. Yeah, no.
$150. $170.
Yeah, expensive.
$130.
Wow, expensive.
$5 for those glasses.
$605. You know how much things we can do with that money
That
then?
one, $1,800.
You know how much things we can do with $1,800?
It must be real like gold and stuff. That's probably why they sell it in clothes.
Yeah. Shit, this place is big.
It's huge.
It's like it's never ending.
I know. Sheridan Betty. Oh, I think they're finished.
Oh, they're out.
We should go to the play thing.
Over there. Massive.
Huge.
Guys, if you're ever in Australia and you're in the Gold Coast, this is a good shopping mall for you. Yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do now? This place.
Is that Target?
This place is endless, man.
Huge. I don't even know where to go.
Round and around you look, it just brings you somewhere else. I swear we can walk
It's like
anywhere.
a food court now.
Yeah.
I'm like, apparently she said she's the nicest person. They took photos with her.
Oh, really?
Because she's like a real. What is going on? Wow, Peruvian has plus size clothing now. It's crazy. We're just walking.
Yeah.
It's like never ending.
Tell you. It's still all the way.
Maybe what's the time? 3 o'clock?
Yeah, 16 past 3 now.
Yeah, we gotta get going because by the time we get back to
Yeah,
our area, our zone,
true. So this bring us straight back?
I
Oh,
don't know. Or it brings us downstairs.
yeah. They say we get lost, that's how big it is.
Oh, alright, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's huge. We literally have to be here from morning till late.
Yeah. We explore everything.
Yeah.
Got that, man. Everywhere.
Oh, we can walk. We can go back up that way.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, Windsor Smith. Get that on. That's a pretty good brand, that one. People just come to walk, huh?
Yeah.
That's it. This is a tea place. You get all kinds of tea.
Yeah. Nice.
We just want to walk. Dr. Martin.
Yeah. Jeez.
So, the then you got the cheaper brand clothing, which is JJ.
Okay.
So you see $10.
It's a Bob Marley shirt.
Which one?
Bob Marley shirt in there, like a long sleeve. I think we have to go up on the top floor anyway.
Smell these guys.
The candles.
Good vibes.
Yeah.
Smell.
Smells good. Nice.
Blackberry. Ooh. Watermelon.
So you just burn them for scent, really? Wow, that's nice. Beautiful.
I was thinking because we need a nice deodorizer in home.
Yeah.
Have a look here and see what they got. Ooh, smell that.
Beautiful. Hello.
Ooh, coffee.
Wow. them really smell good.
Lavender, French.
Not the best.
Guava.
Wow. Wow, that's sweet.
Last one. Ooh, ocean breeze. It smells good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely. So what is the price? 2 for 65, 1 for 34.99. Like this is that, and then that's 1 for 44 and 2 for 85.
Okay.
Nice. I think they got like spray stuff too.
Yeah.
I want something that's going to stay for long, especially now.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta go.
Go up.
We've been trying to cruise it. Let's go up, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go up. We'll tell her we're going to the park.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oops. Almost filled.
So we'll just wait for them outside.
Yeah.
We have to go back outside that way.
Okay.
She said she doesn't know where the car is.
Oh.
They cater for plus size women.
Wonder.
No wonder it's cute. Babe, imagine me wearing them. Pink shoes.
Yeah.
Miss Pinky.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Miss Drip Drip. You know what? I smelled those scents, I'm not going to lie. They smell good on the cardboard, but they fade.
Oh, okay.
You can't smell anything now on none of them.
Yeah.
So, you pay for what you get, $20, and that's what it is.
Yeah.
God, babe, there's so many freaking shops in here.
Yeah, I'm dazzled. My eyes are dazzled with them all that stuff.
I'm really dazzled.
Yeah.
Dazzled, bedazzled.
Yeah.
Ready to roll.
So they're at
Outside.
oh outside.
Yeah. Tired?
Oh, I'm good. Oh, my lips are dried. Like I feel like I have no saliva and I drink water.
Drink more water.
Yeah.
I'm reading all your comments. That's what I'm doing right now.
So guys, we're about to leave here shortly, so we just want to say thank you all for watching.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Yeah, man.
Blessings always.
We never even know we would have done a full vlog or so much clips, but we did it. Yes, I hope you all enjoyed it small. We didn't even tour all of it, that's how big it is.
And if you haven't watched The Equalizer, guys, go and watch The Equalizer.
Yeah, it's a good movie.
Get your tickets.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Catch you in the next one.
The Island Family.
The Island Family.
And
We on a roll now.
And the half of Bobo as well.
I thought you were going to sing. Anyway.
So we on a roll now. Let's go now. Blessings.
Now.